Okay, we're going to show you guys how the car runs, show you how the cruise control is holding. So starting off, let's just give the car a start. Alright, now I'm going to show you how the cruise control works. We're going to get on the highway here. As you see, I'm going to turn on the cruise control here. And you see my foot is not on the gas, so accelerating. Holding there. And my foot is still off the gas, so cruise control is holding well.